Let's start. Today we will see how to use the GetX package to implement localization or internationalization in Flutter Android. First, we need to add the GetX package to our app. For that, click this terminal icon here. Write this command, and press enter. Wait for the operation to be complete. Once you see change dependency written like this, that means the package has been integrated. Let's see the project structure. In the libs folder, we have two Dart files. main.dart and translations.dart. Let's see the translations.dart file first. This is the import. This is the app translations class that extends the translations class. Here we define all the text that we are going to use in our app. For example, I'm going to use the hello word on my home screen of the app. So here, I have created two JSON objects. This one is for the English language. And this one is for the Spanish language. We will write the words in key value pairs. So for hello value, I have used a key called greetings. The same key is used in Spanish object also. And the translation of hello in Spanish is hola. So in any text widget, I just have to pass this greetings word so that hello or hola will be printed there. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import these Dart packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a getMaterial app and apply a theme in the build function. This is an important step. Normally, we create a material app, but here, we are creating a getMaterial app, because we are using the GetX package. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. The translations attribute is set to the app translations class. The locale attribute is set to a locale widget, where the default language is set as USA English. The fallback locale is also set to a locale widget, where the default language is set as USA English. When the app fails to find any specific locale language, it will use the English language by default. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePage state. This is _myHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first argument of the column is a text widget. I have passed the greetings key as the text of this widget. .tr word is added after the greetings word. TR means translation. Then we have an elevated button, translate to Spanish. When this button is clicked, we update the language to Spanish like this. Then, here we have another elevated button, translate to English. When this button is clicked, we update the language to English like this. Let's run the app. As you can see, by default the text was in English. When I clicked the Spanish button, the text got translated into Spanish. And when I clicked the English button, the text got translated into English again. So that's it. That's how you can use the GetX package to implement localization or internationalization in Flutter Android. Thank you.